The clothing and fashion industry has an enormous global presence, worth trillions of dollars. In recent years, the rise of e-commerce has transformed the way people shop for clothes. Omni-Channel is a strategic approach that synchronizes multiple communication and distribution channels to deliver a unified and cohesive experience to customers. It integrates various touchpoints, including physical stores, online platforms, mobile applications, social media, email, and more, to provide a unified and consistent experience for customers. However, it has led to new challenges for the industry, particularly in the realm of material handling.
Nowadays, people can shop online or in physical stores, but they can also shop from home and pick it up at the store, or vice versa. They could shop in the store and have it delivered back home. That is called Omni-Channel. One of the major challenges posed by Omni-Channel is called single picking. And what is single picking? Single picking is that today people will just order, for example, one blue shirt. Well, then the retailer has to locate that blue shirt in a huge inventory and then pack it and ship it. And as online orders will continue to surge, the volume of single picking will significantly increase, and that places a burden on the warehouse staff. Moreover, the rise of online shopping means customers no longer get to try on their garments, and that has led to a higher rate of ill-fitting garments that must be returned to the retailer.
To address these challenges, clothing and fashion retailers are increasingly turning to automation. However, automating material handling processes in this industry presents unique challenges.
Surprisingly, due to the small percentage of garments on hangers in the industry, very few equipment manufacturers have developed automated systems to assist distribution centers, leaving them to handle the process of handling garments on hangers manually. Planoform's Carousel Pick Modules allow rapid and efficient storage and retrieval while maximizing density. The system is programmed to pick specific items, so single picking, and deliver them to pack stations, minimizing employees' movements. This semi-automated goods-to-person system increases efficiency and allows employees to pick up to 300 units per hour, as opposed to, say, around 75 with a manual system.
Planoform's solutions are helping clothing and fashion retailers meet the challenges of the omni-channel era. Our Carousel Pick Module system is designed to help retailers streamline their operations. By automating material handling processes, we are helping them to improve efficiency, increase productivity, and reduce costs.
Planoform's automated material handling solutions are most beneficial for distribution centers performing single picks. Single picking is essential in the growing channels such as the e-com and the circular economy of clothing rental and thrift.
We implemented the Planoform Carousel automation about 6 months ago, and it's been pretty important for our business here at Newly. If you think about this automation solution, what it's doing is bringing the garment to the user as opposed to the user needing to go find the garment. The automation has significantly expanded our ability to carry more inventory, which has been a pretty critical thing for the business. We've also noticed an incredible productivity improvement in the put away and the pick processes with our automation solution. It's made our put away and pick associates much more efficient. They've also been a lot happier, just happier associates. They don't have to walk as much. We've actually found that a lot of our associates would prefer to work in that automation solution as opposed to elsewhere in the building, just because it's a great solution. We have significantly reduced labor costs by putting this automation process in. Fewer associates are needed to do the same tasks that we were doing before in static locations. Those processes are done much more efficiently as well as much more successfully.
Visioning systems, machine learning, and automated gripping tools, now robotics and automation have moved into the warehousing and distribution area, particularly in the fashion and clothing industry. This allows for packages to be quickly picked, packaged, and shipped through automated processes. For example, there's actually humanoid robots that exist now in distribution centers that can do the repetitive tasks that people used to do on their own. These robots can be deployed as an as-service model, which means that you can actually put them in during peak shipping season when the volumes rise significantly, but then you can actually take them away when the volumes return back to normal levels. These technology advancements will continue to advance not only in warehousing and distribution, but they will be adopted throughout the supply chain.
It is obvious that automation is the key to cutting costs in the industry and turbocharge production in distribution centers. Our mission is to become the global expert in GOH handling through innovation.
To learn more about how Planiform can help you streamline your material handling processes and improve your bottom line, please visit our website at planiform.com today.